PTSG launches new Siphonic health check tool. Like, comment, and subscribe to get all the latest from our videos. NSS, part of PTSG, has introduced a free, fast online tool to help UK property professionals and building owners evaluate their roof drainage systems. Unlike gravity systems, siphonic drainage uses negative pressure to rapidly clear water from large roofs, making it common in shopping centres, warehouses, and stadiums. While highly efficient when functioning correctly, failing systems can cause serious structural damage, internal flooding, and costly emergency repairs. The online tool takes only minutes, using 5 simple prompts about inspection history and drainage performance to calculate a system risk score. The tool measures risk against the newly updated BS 8490/2025 British Standard, ensuring buildings comply with current design and inspection rules. To address any flagged risks, NSS provides full professional audits, repairs, and 24/7 emergency response using their own directly employed engineers. NSS utilizes drone survey technology to proactively detect hidden roof and drainage problems before they develop into damaging leaks. Billy Gordon, technical manager at NSS, said, "A lot of building owners and facilities managers don't realize their drainage systems may no longer meet current standards." Gordon added, "The health check tool gives people a quick, straightforward way to understand their position and to take action before a problem develops." To learn more, read the full article in our Products and Projects category. Read more at TWinFM.com.